Hello, friends. This is Sudeshna from Beyond Numbers. Sometimes you scroll down your Excel and then you see the top row has just disappeared. How do people manage to keep the top rows same? This is how I came to know this. This is from a client of mine. She said, Sudeshna, I need a help just to look into the Excel. I thought, why not make a video and help my other viewers also? It's a very simple trick. Let me share my screen and show it to you. So here's my Excel sheet. Now you can see all my files are here and all data is here. As you scroll down, there is all the top row is vanished. So what I preferably do is because the left hand side is also freezed. So what you simple do, go to view. Suppose you are in home button, then you first go to view here and freeze panes here. Very simple. Then once you go down, the top row remains. By default, I will just make it bold so that it's very easy. Later, I can show you how to make a pivot table and things like that. So I hope this video helped. If you need any more, I'm there. Thank you. Bye.